Hello fams, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? I am back like I never left. So today's tutorial on pattern making tip, I will show you how to draft a bandless wrap flap. It's very easy. Please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Remember to click the notification button for update. Thank you. Trace the center front left side of the short block with the band drafted together. I already have my normal flap drafted.it will serve as a base for extension. Remember this men flap wrap is from the left. Measure the length of extension as desired, but for this tutorial I will use 20 cm 8 inches, mark and connected straight lines, and curve as shown. The right side of the center front will look like this, and it will also have a normal flap which will carry the zip while the wrap. Take a moment now to like, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Cut in this direction. This is how it will look like when you are done. Thank you for watching. Please leave your questions or love below. Please like. Thank you. Follow us on our social media. Click bio for more.